Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide down and focus on the general settings. Here we have add watermark option, so by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture to see the watermark added. Now let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this button, so here we get quick access to the gallery. This is our picture and the watermark is here in the left corner at the bottom. Let's get closer to it. As you can see, this is how it looks like: HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro Ultra Vision Sign Camera Leica. And of course, when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the camera, then to the settings in the right corner, slide again to the general and use this button to turn this off. So now when we take another picture, the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.